Today we had our Stoughton, Massachusetts open house, and we welcomed as many customers as possible to come down, check out the facility for the first time, see what we have to offer.
The facility is fantastic. Really enjoyed the tour.
We're really excited for this facility because it helps us get closer to not only Boston, but the South Shore of Massachusetts and Cape Cod, which is one of the most densely populated areas in our whole territory.
I'm just love the shop, and the cleanliness of it is just beautiful.
We offer a full menu of support and services in Stoughton that essentially you could get in Milford, and it's just a lot closer to a huge number of customers.
Being able to get right over here, get what we need, get back to the job and keep moving is huge.
I would recommend anybody in the construction industry take a look at what is available to them.
Stop by anytime and take a tour. We look forward to seeing you, and thank you for choosing Milton Cat.